Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the 30 mushroom to complete Forager Chance mini quest in Ancient Jungle. First, just head to the Ancient Jungle and then talk to this NPC, this one, Forager Chance, and then just accept the quest. Just tap on are you looking for any fish like this? And then just go to quest menu and then on here just tap on mushroom collector like this. You will need to collect 30 mushroom. And then for the tip, these mushrooms are not fish. You don't need a rod at all. Just walk around and collect them on this jungle. Just simply explore the jungle like this. Like this. Just tap on mushroom pick up like this. And then just do this. Just explore the jungle and then do this until you get or reach 30 mushrooms. Okay, like this. Once you have collected all 30, just go back to NPC Gen and turn in the quest and claim your rewards. And okay, that's it. Easy, fast, and no fishing needed. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.